how to get DramaBox gift codes. Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get DramaBox gift codes and claim your rewards easily. So make sure you follow along step by step, and let's jump straight into it. First, go ahead and open your DramaBox app on your device. Once you're inside the app, look towards the lower right corner, you'll see the profile icon. Simply tap on that profile icon to open up your account settings. Now, inside the profile section, you'll find an option called Gifts. Go ahead and tap on the Gifts button. This is where you'll redeem the codes and unlock rewards like coins, premium access, or other bonuses. Now, you might be wondering, how do you actually get these gift codes? Well, the easiest way is by following DramaBox's official accounts on social media platforms. They often post new codes during events, promotions, or special giveaways. So make sure you keep an eye on their announcements to grab the latest codes. Once you have a code, come back to the gift section, enter it, and claim your reward instantly. It's really that simple and a great way to get some extra perks inside the app. And that's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.